Hello all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Concepts of Mathematics. In today's video, we will learn lesson number 7 simple linear equations of class 7. Okay? In a very easy way. Now, what is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics. Okay? In which numbers and letters. Do you know numbers and letters of alphabets? Numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay? We use numbers and alphabets to represent quantities. Okay? Have you understood? Now, these numbers and letters are added, subtracted, multiplied or divided to form expression. What is expression? Suppose, what is this? This is a letter X. We add 3 to this. Okay? This is a sign of equality. This is 5. This is an equation, simple equation. In this, X plus 3 is an expression. Okay? Another expression, Y plus 7 is another expression, comma, 2x plus 5 is another expression, x divided by 5 plus 3 is another expression. These are some examples of expressions. Okay, very simple. In expression, we have two things. One is alphabet, second is number. Number को हम क्या कहते हैं? Constant. We cannot change it. Okay? And alphabet की value change हो सकती है. This is variable. Okay, x can be 1, 2, 3, 4. X is a variable while 2 and 5 are constant. Okay, now have you understood the expression? X plus 2 is an expression in which this is variable. Variable means its value can be changed. This is 2 is always 2, constant. इसकी अलग अलग वैल्यूज़, जैसे हम x इज इक्वल टू 1 रख सकते हैं, 2 रख सकते हैं, 3 रख सकते हैं, कोई भी वैल्यू इसकी रखी जा सकती है. ओके. कंडीशन, इट इज़ कंडीशनल. सपोज वी राइट x plus 2 is equal to 6. Then we have imposed a condition on x. What? X should be 1, 2, 3, 4. X should be only 4. Why? 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Nothing else. Okay? We can change it. X plus 2 is an expression. We have given a condition that it is equal to 11, then in this condition the value of x should be 9. ओके हर कंडीशन के लिए अलग अलग वैल्यूज़ x की होंगी, इसीलिए ये क्या कहलाता है, वेरिएबल. Now have you understood this? Variable can take different values under different conditions. Here is the condition is equal to 6. Here is condition is equal to 11. Here is the value of x is 9. Here x is equal to 4. Very simple. Now we will learn what is an equation. An equation is formed when two expressions with at least one of the expressions containing variables are connected by an equality sign. Okay. Suppose we have an expression x plus 3. This is an expression. 5. This is also an expression. This expression contains one variable. This expression contains no variable. If these are connected by equality sign, this is called an equation. Simple. X plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 1. This is also an equation. This is one expression, this is another expression. These two expressions are connected by equality sign, and we should have at least one of the expressions containing variables. In this equation we have दोनों expressions में हमारे पास क्या है, वेरिएबल है. इसमें भी, इसमें भी. इसमें क्या है, सिर्फ एक में है, तो ये भी सही है और ये भी सही है. ये बोथ ऑफ दीज आर इक्वेशंस. वन मोर थिंग, दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ इक्वलिटी. इस साइन के लेफ्ट में क्या होता है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, और इक्वलिटी के राइट में राइट हैंड साइड. क्लियर? Now, what is this? This is a balance. If we put 1 kilogram left hand side and 1 kilogram right hand side, 1 kilogram is equal to 1 kilogram. This is balanced. Same, likewise, any equation is balanced. Suppose 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. What is this? This is a sign of balance. Okay, this is always equals to 5. 1 kg is equal to 1 kg. If we interchange, if we put 1 kg, this 1 kg here and this 1 kg here, no change. Okay, so we can write 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. Any problem? Very simple. We can interchange. This is equal to this. जब दो चीज़ें बराबर हैं तो उनको हम एक दूसरे से इंटरचेंज करने के बाद भी उसमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं आएगा. दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ इक्वेशन. नाउ हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द इक्वेशंस क्लियरली? x plus 4 is equal to 6. This is an equation. Okay, this is variable. This is constant, this is constant. Now, this is also an equation with two variables. Here is only one variable. Here is one variable is x, second variable is y. This is also an equation. X की पावर 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. This is also an equation. Clear? This is an equation. This is an equation with two variable. This is equation with one variable. This is an equation with one variable, but its power is 2, x square. This is also an equation. But we are learning simple लीनियर इक्वेशंस, सिंपल लीनियर, ओके। सिंपल कब होगी? सिंपल इक्वेशन होगी जब हमारे पास ओनली वन वेरिएबल in equation. This is not a simple. And linear इक्वेशन कब होगी? जब उस वेरिएबल की पावर 1 होगी, पावर 1, like that. X, here what is the power? X की पावर 1. X की पावर 1 is x, okay. This is not a linear equation. This is an equation, but this is not a linear equation. Okay? This is linear, but this is not a simple equation. In simple linear equation, we will have only one variable and power of that will be 1. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Y plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, these are some examples of simple linear equations. This one and this one. We will study these types of equations in later stages. Now suppose we have to find a number which becomes 80 on being multiplied by 5. क्या पता करना है? ऐसा नंबर पता करना है जिसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमें 80 मिल जाए. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज़ एन स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म. ओके, सबसे पहले हमें क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? एक इक्वेशन फॉर्म बनाना पड़ेगा. सपोज़ जो भी हमें पता करना है उसको हम x मानते हैं. सपोज दैट x इज़ दैट नंबर when being multiplied by 5, its multiplication becomes 80. This is statement form and this is equation form. Simple. फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है उसको इक्वेशन फॉर्म में लेकर के आना, फिर उसका सॉल्यूशन निकल के आएगा. Now read the next statement. 3 times a number when decreased by 4 gives 23. कोई एक नंबर है, उसका 3 टाइम्स, उससे डिक्रीज करते हैं हम 4, ओके, gives 23. This is an statement. This is a statement. Convert this in equation form. Suppose number is x, okay, then 3 times the number when decreased by 4 gives is equal to 23. This statement is converted into equation form. Then we will solve it and find the value of x. Now look at this example number 1. Write the following statements in the form of equation. First statement is 8 times n. Times means multiplication. 8 times n is equal to 40. Simple. 1/4 means 1 by 4 of p means into p. 1/4 of p is equal to 12. Okay, we can write it as also 1/4 of p is equal to 12. Simple. This is also correct. This is also correct. The sum of 5 times x and 14. The sum of 5 times x means 5x and 14 का sum. The sum of 5 times x plus 14 is equal to 19. Clear? Taking away 5, subtraction of 5 from 3/4 of y is 10. Three-fourth of y taking away 5 is equal to 10. Okay? This can also be written as 3y by 4 minus 5 is equal to 10. Clear? Very simple. Now next example is, write the following equations as state. We can write half of x, the sum of half of x and 3 is equal to 7. Half of x and 3 is 7. Or we can also write it as half of x is 3 less than 7. Okay. In this 4 times m, this is 4 times m, this is 3. Okay. Now in this 3 take away, four times m is 6. Okay. Now third example is, Shyam scored twice as many runs as Amit. Okay. Together their runs fell too short of a double century. Form an equation to represent the situation. Suppose Amit scored X runs, then so the runs scored by Shyam would be twice as many as Amit's runs. Together their runs, together means x plus 2x, x plus 2x, together their runs fell 2 short of a double century. Double century means 200. 2 short of the double century means -2. Okay. Then x plus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 198. This is the equation to represent the situation. Okay. Now there are various methods for solving linear equation. This is first method, trial and error method. Suppose we have x plus 1 is equal to 4. Then suppose we want to put x is equal to 1. Then what will happen? 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Is it correct? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to 4. This is not correct. Therefore, this is not the solution of this equation. X is equal to 2. Try this. 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is 3. This is 4. This is also not correct. 3 is not equals to 4. Therefore, x is not equals to 2 for this equation. Put x is equal to 3. Then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Here is 3 plus 1 4. Here is 4. This is correct. Therefore, x is equal to 3 is the correct answer for this equation. Now we will learn solving an equation by balancing method. This is a balance. This is a perfectly balanced by 1 kg here and 1 kg here. इसी तरीके से हर इक्वेशन जो है परफेक्टली बैलेंस्ड होती है. x plus 2 is equal to 5. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. If we add anything here, x plus 2 plus 1 on left hand side, so we have to add 1 on right hand side. Okay. If we subtract 1 from left hand side, we have to subtract 1 from right hand side also to maintain this balance. Okay. If we multiply by 3 here left hand side, we should multiply 5 by 3 also to maintain this balance. ओके बस एक चीज़ याद रखनी है, हमें इस बैलेंस को बना के रखना है. जो भी हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में करेंगे वही राइट हैंड साइड में करना पड़ेगा हमको. इफ़ वी डिवाइड x plus 2 by 2, then we have to divide 5 by 2 to maintain this balance. This is the only concept and very useful, very simple. Now solve x plus 2 is equal to 5. Solving means we have to find the value of x. Okay. Here 2 is extra. Okay. What we will do, we subtract 2 from both these sides. ठीक. 2 plus 2 minus 2 is 0. X plus 0 is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. X plus 0 means x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the solution for this equation by balancing method. Now solve this. P minus 10 is equal to 5. We have to find the value of P. This is a variable. Okay. For this, what we will do, add 10 to left hand side. P minus 10 plus 10 minus 10 plus 10, it will be 0. only p will be left here. For maintaining this balance, we have to add 10 on right hand side. Okay, here we will get p, here we will get 10 plus 5, 15. This is balancing method. Okay. Next example is 1 by 5 a is equal to 6. Here a is divided by 5. What is the inverse of division? Inverse of division is multiplication. To get a alone on left hand side, हम सिर्फ क्या चाहते हैं कि इधर सिर्फ a रह जाए और ये हट जाए, तो इससे हम क्या करना पड़ेगा? We should multiply left hand side by 5. Now, because this is balanced, to maintain this balance, we should multiply 6 by 5. Okay. Then here we get a alone, and here we get 6 5s are 30. Simple. Next example is 4m. This is an equation. 4m plus 11 is equal to 35. We want to solve it. Variable is m. We want to find the value of m. Here we have to remove this. Then we will get m here. First we will remove this. For this we have to remove this. This is plus 11 minus 11. Plus 11 का opposite minus 11. To maintain the balance, we have to remove it from right hand side also. This is 0. 4m is equal to 24. For removing this is multiplied by m. We have to divide it by 4. For balancing this, we have to divide 24 by 4. Here we get m is equal to 4 6 are 24. The value of m is 6. Solution of this equation is m is equal to 6. We can also check our solution that whether it is correct or not. Put the value of m is equal to 6 here and find the sum. 4 into 6 plus 11, 24 plus 11, 35. This is matched, therefore our value m is equal to 6 is the correct answer. Now solve these two. 3y is equal to 42. Then for getting the value of y, we have to remove 3y. This is multiplication, opposite is division. Same here, 42 divided by 3 for maintaining the balance. 3 will remove, we will get y is equal to 14. Okay, here for removing this, we have to multiply it by 7. We have to multiply it by 7 to right hand side also. X is equal to 77. Now this equation is 3x plus 7 is equal to 25. For solving this, 3x plus 7 minus 7. Actually we have removed 7 from here. then 25 minus 7 here to maintain the balance. Here we get 3x, here we get 18. Okay, then 3x, for removing this 3 we have to divide it by 3. 18 divided by 3 for maintaining this equation or balance. X is equal to 6. This is the answer. Okay, here this is another question. Minus 6 and we will divide it by minus 6. 54. We will divide right hand side by minus 6. Okay, minus 6, here we get n is equal to 9. Sign is minus, this minus. Okay, answer is minus 9. If we put this here, we get minus 6 minus 9. Minus plus, 6 9s are 54. Therefore, n is equal to minus 9 is the correct answer.